The morning meal is supposed to fuel the body, protect the heart, and strengthen the muscles we rely on every single day. But for millions of people over 60, breakfast has slowly turned into a silent trap for accelerated aging. If you often wake up tired, your knees feel stiff, your legs feel heavy, or your memory seems just a little slower than before, the real cause may be sitting on your breakfast plate. The common breakfast food so many seniors depend on, white bread toast with tea or coffee, creates a sudden spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. This weakens circulation to the legs and brain, increases joint inflammation, and slowly erodes muscle strength. Over time, this normal breakfast can make walking harder, sleep poorer, and heart health weaker. But the good news, replacing it is simple. Today, you'll learn how to switch from the aging breakfast to the strength breakfast, a senior-friendly morning meal that supports joint comfort, improves heart circulation, and restores natural energy throughout the day. Replacing the aging breakfast is not about dieting or giving up foods you enjoy. It is about feeding your muscles, your joints, and your heart what they actually need after 60. As we age, our muscles naturally begin to shrink, a condition called muscle loss. The joints lose lubrication, making movement feel stiff. The heart has to work harder to push blood through the legs. And the brain needs steady glucose, not spikes and crashes. This is why the strength breakfast works. It stabilizes blood sugar, improves circulation, and provides the nutrients that aging muscles and joints rely on. Here's what you need in your morning meal. 1. Protein first. Protein helps rebuild muscle fibers and keeps the legs strong. Eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or soft lentils are excellent senior-friendly options. 2. Healthy fats. Healthy fats reduce inflammation in joints. Add a spoon of almond butter, a few walnuts, or olive oil drizzle on vegetables. 3. Slow carbs instead of quick carbs. Replace white bread with oats, millet, or whole grain bread. These support stable energy and better brain function. This combination feeds strength rather than taking it away. Now that the breakfast foundation is set, we need to support circulation and joint comfort. After 60, the blood vessels in the legs can become less flexible. This reduces blood flow and causes morning stiffness, swollen feet, and that heavy leg feeling. A simple 4-minute morning circulation routine helps warm the joints, bring oxygen to the muscles, and prevent pain throughout the day. Do these right after breakfast or even before getting out of bed. 1. Ankle circles. 45 seconds each leg. Lift one leg slightly and rotate the foot in slow, full circles. This opens circulation to the feet, calves, and knees. Caution: move slowly, no sharp angles. 2. Seated knee extensions. 1 minute. Sit upright. Slowly straighten one leg, hold 2 seconds, lower. This strengthens the quadriceps, which are essential for standing, walking, and joint protection. 3. Calf squeezes. 1 minute. While seated or standing, tighten your calf muscles for 2 seconds, then release. This signals the veins to push blood back toward the heart. 4. Deep breathing. 1 minute. Inhale through the nose, exhale slowly. This helps oxygen reach the legs and brain. Done daily, these simple movements help your legs feel lighter, your steps easier, and your morning more energized. Small daily changes lead to noticeable improvements: stronger steps, clearer thinking, steadier mood, and deeper sleep. But consistency matters. Many seniors try something once or twice and assume it doesn't work. The body over 60 responds slowly but steadily. Think of these changes as nourishment, not quick fixes. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest senior health and recovery tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.